And now, let me show you how you can actually apply this strategy to your website to upgrade your contents and start increasing your opt-in rate by using just your contents. Okay, upgrading your contents by OmniKick is very simple. The process is so easy that you can do it in just few clicks, and you can do it in two different ways. First, you can use any of the opt-in boxes as a two-step opt-in link. Create a link and then put it in any of your contents on your blog and upgrade it by offering different information to your reader, which will add more value to the existing contents on your blog post. So let me show you how you can do it. After you log in, this is the dashboard. Now when you click on this opt-in funnel icon, then click on this icon here that's creating your opt-in funnel. And here you can see all the pop-up boxes, the full screen boxes, slider opt-in boxes, and also inline opt-in boxes. Now you can use any of this as a two-step opt-in box and put it inside of your contents in the blog to upgrade it. So let me show you how you can do it. Let me use a pop-up box to show you guys. Let me select this template here. Okay, let me first uncheck this option. This is a personalization feature which I'll be explaining you later down this course. So for the moment, let me take this off and let's stick to the content upgrade process. Now, let me scroll down here and I'll put the cookie duration 0 so that I can show you guys without any interruption at this moment. And I will remove the branding so it looks more unique and related to your brand. And I have enabled the privacy policy, and if you want, you can enable the privacy checkbox as well. This thing will appear with the box, or you can leave that alone. That's completely up to you. Now, moving on from here, let's go to the display rules. Okay, so how do you create a two-step opt-in link? So what do, you select this option, that's opt-in link two-step opt-in. You turn it on, then you can see the link over here. Okay, now let's find out a content where you can put it in. I'll show it from our own website. And let me select this content here. Let's assume I want to upgrade this content which says 17 types of emails to send to your subscribers and customers, right? So I'll upgrade it with a checklist of subject lines, the best subject lines for emails which are very effective for click-through rates, and I want to add that checklist to this content so the readers of this content can download it and I can get their email and name into my contact list. So in order to do that, what I'll do, I'll log into my WordPress admin panel, okay, and I'll open this post here. Okay, it's all set now. Now I'll go back to my app. It's set over here, and we'll copy this link, this example link from this place. All right, and I'll select the place from here where I want to put it in. Let's say I want to put this link right over here at this stage, right at the top of the third point. So what I'll do, I'll click right over the full stop and go to the text. Then I'll paste the link here and see this text over here. Click to view the funnel. Now this is the text where you can make the changes, where you have to customize it. For example, I want to add a checklist of the best subject lines for emails which can make your customers or subscribers click the email with a lot of interest. So this is what I'm going to write here. Voila. Okay, this is what we do. You write the sentence what will be pretty much catchy and interesting to read, and you put it right in this place in between the links. Okay, this is the complete code which you copied, and this is the place where you put the text in. All right. So moving on from here, let's go back to the app. Let's click on Save and Publish. Let's go to the funnel. It's already saved and published. But before you put it on live, let's make some changes on the form. Here it is. It says subscribers. Now when you click on top of this text, the editor will open. So you can change it to download the checklist. Most clicked subject lines ever. Then you change the text in this call to action button. Or you can write in anything what you want, what you think your readers may like. So it completely depends on you. When you're changing the text, you can also work with these tools over here and even put links. So it's pretty much customizable. Now, once you're done with it, go to the Success Message tab. Click on this option, that's Switch Success Theme. Click on the download option. Click here. It's set. Close the box. Now, browse and select your file. You can upload the file you want to share with your readers simply from your machine. Okay? So it's all done. You click on Save and Publish. That's it. Now you go back to your WordPress panel and click on Update. See? Now, let's open this link here. Let's try to find out the link. There you go. I just reloaded the page and it appeared right over here right now. It says click here to download the ultimate checklist for the most clicked email subject line. So when you click on it, there you go. The pop-up will appear. Now if you type in your name and let's say your email address and you click on download now, there you go. That's how your readers will be able to download the files which you will be offering in your contents. Now, when you're using this technique on this formula, make sure that the content which you offer that is pretty relevant and matches to the information your content is covering on your blog. So this is how you actually upgrade your content. This was one of the processes, and now I'll be showing you the next one, which is putting a box, an opt-in box, not a link. Like here, we entered the link, right? But in the next step, in this process, which I'll be showing you right now, by this process, you can actually put an opt-in box. Like for example, a box like this, somewhere in between your contents from where your readers can subscribe or opt in or even download. So let me show you how you can do that. Okay, now I'm onto my app again. I'll exit from this existing edit panel. Okay, and I'll click on create, and I'll click on create a new opt-in funnel. Now I'll use an inline opt-in box. Okay, so this is what I can do now. Okay, by any of these boxes, I can upgrade one of my contents, and that is, let's say I want to use this template. Okay, so I'll open it, and I'll scroll down, remove the branding first, and then the privacy policy is enabled. Let's say I want to do this like this. Ebook okay, and you can also edit the subheader from this place, and let's change the CTA now, as we are not asking the readers to subscribe. In this process, we'll ask the readers to download. So this is what we'll do. We'll change the text in the CTA and put download instead. Let's put all this on caps. All right, looks cooler, I think. Okay, once I'm done over here, I will move on to save and publish this funnel. Now, before I do that, let me change the name inline 2, and let's save and publish. Okay, now I'll exit out of that panel. This is the funnel I just created. Now I'll click on this icon over here. When I click on it, I'll see a code. Now what I gotta do before I copy the code, first, like the previous step when we use a two-step opt-in link, now we're going to find out a content where we want to put this opt-in box in. So to do that, let me go back to my blog, and let's say this thing, blog topic, 75 types of blog posts that get traffic. So let me open this thing, and let me go back to the post. There you go. This is the content which I want to use. So I'll open the edit box from this place, go to the visuals, and let's say I want to put the opt-in box right under here, right on the top of the 5th point. Okay, I want to put the box over here. So what I do now is copy the code. Now I don't paste the code over here, not on the visuals. Please keep a note of this because this is important. You have to paste the code in the text, right? So what you do, you click in the place on the visual section where you want to paste the code, then you click on text, and it will take you right in that place right away without you having to locate it again. The place where it will be highlighting, that is the place where you're going to paste the code. So you paste the code here, right? Now you click on update. Okay. Now when you go back to the content, reload the page, and let's try to locate now the form. And there you go. You can see it right over here, right? Now your readers will be able to put the name, email, and then can download this particular content which you'll be offering. This will be an additional piece of content which you'll be offering on top of this this particular post which your readers will be reading on the first place. So you're adding more value to your content like this in your blog, and you are actually attracting your readers to opt in willingly and happily to get more valuable information from you, from your business or from your brand, which can help them out. Now check out this thing. That's get free ebook of 1000 power words for maximum clicks. Everyone or anyone who is actually reading this content, okay, that could be 100 people, 200 people, 10 people, whoever that is, or whatever is the number, they are actually reading this content because they want more clicks, they want more traffic. And this particular offer is relevant to their need, and they will be more than happy to get the ebook free from you. So they will be gladly opting in by putting the name and email and downloading the content. Now to upload this content, the process is very similar. Let me show you again so it's easy for you to memorize. All you have to do is go to the edit panel of the form which you, okay, go to the success message page, click on download, select this box, right? And from this option, you can upload the PowerPoint file and your readers will be able to download it right after when you click on save and publish, okay? You have to click on save and publish after you upload the file. So this is how the overall content upgrade process works in OmniKick. Very simple and very easy to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Content upgrades works amazing on your website to increase your opt-in rate and increase more number of quality contacts in your email list. So I hope you will apply this strategy the way I've showed you and going to use this strategy right away. Until then, bye for now.